like a bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together, it's so beautiful.
Alright, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I've done anything. So, I'm going to start out today. We're going to show you some stuff that's pissed me off, like cracked windshield. Picked that up at a car show, not sure how. And we're going to show you some stuff I've done. Last time I videoed, I think we did the X-pipe on this. Oh, and since then, carbon fiber inserts on the steering wheel, some red trim on the interior. Been doing some little stuff. I just been lazy and not videotaping it. So today, if I can get the hood open, maybe not. After the hiatus of me trying to get the hood open, I actually had to set the phone down. We have installed my headers. So, with that being said, we are going to go through and just recheck the header bolts to make sure that they're good and snug and haven't worked themselves loose. So I'm going to grab some wrenches. We're going to see what we can come up with. See if I can record this while doing this, which could be a challenge, considering these bolts are not in the world's most friendliest location, to say the least. The actual manifolds were pretty easy to get off. These, on the other hand, not so much. Because, well, as you can see, everything's in the way. But, that being said, this is the easy side. This side took us like 20 minutes to put on. We'll go to the other side and we'll show you, I'll kind of explain how much of a pain that was. This side, on the other hand, sucks. Because this harness is in the way. This is in the way. Unless you take this stuff and unhook it and lift it up, that header has nowhere to go. It doesn't fit from the bottom. You have to put it in from the top. So, speaking of which, I tightened these down already. So, I double checked these after we did them the first time, because I hadn't had everything reattached. But I just wanted to show you what kind of pain in the butt this is. The driver's side's pretty simple. This side sucks. The other thing we're going to do today is I put an amplifier and subwoofer in here, and the amplifier's been screwing up, so I gotta go through and check that out as well. But before we can do that, need to pop this, get this bad boy out. Okay, hold on. Whenever you're doing stereo work, absolutely pull the fuse out of your amplifier. That's a good way to cook an amplifier. Okay, we're here in the trunk, and I can see one problem already. The ground wire has come unhooked. So, I'm going to finish unhooking all this stuff from the amplifier, and then I have another amplifier I'm going to test out in here and go from there. So, get this stuff unplugged. Get this unhooked, maybe. and it's out. So we'll grab my other amplifier and test the theory out on what's next. Oh, there is the old manifold also. Okay. Now, I took a little bit, I had to find the amp, but I got everything wired up. And this one seems to be working. We're gonna go for a drive here and see how it all works out. So, because before you go down the road, you hit a bump and you cut out. I want to make sure, see if it was the amp or if it was something else going on. And now that we've got the headers and everything installed and the exhaust completely on this car, I'll give you a good cold start on it.